Assalamualaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix Instagram suspicious login attempt, change password problem solve. Have you encountered an error that says there's been a suspicious or unusual login attempt on your Instagram account? Many issues could trigger this message, but you will unusually see if when you are signing in from another app or location. If the message pop up when you are not trying to sign in to Instagram, someone might be trying to access your account. If you receive the suspicious login attempt message by email, do not click or tap any link in the email. Sometimes, scammer will send fake security email to Instagram user and load them to sign in page that steal their username and password. If this video will show you the solution to the problem, watch the full video. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. Long press the Instagram app. Click App Info. Click Storage Use. Then click Clear Data. Click OK. Open Instagram app. Type Instagram username. Then click Can't Reset Your Password. If you want, you can recover through your phone number or email address. But we will show you how to recover without phone number or email address. Click Try Another Way. Then select I forgot my password and I can't reset it. Click Next. If you have a photo of yourself on your Instagram, select I have a photo of myself in my account. Select the second option if you don't have any photos on Instagram. Click Next. Here you can give any email address you want to recover your account through email address. Then click Submit. Collect the recovery code from an email address. Open Instagram Mail. Type the OTP code. Click Confirm. Here we will be asked to take a video selfie. Click Next. Then allow all permission. Once selfie is taken, click on this icon. Then click Submit. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member. Wait 2 or 3 days after submission and then email will be sent to your email address to recover your password.